Good evening, students. So today we will discuss about the three important built-in functions in Python: map, filter, reduce. So these functions are used with collection data types in Python. You can operate on list. If you take the map function, this will take the two arguments. The first argument, you have to mention the name of the function. It can be a user defined function or a predefined function or a lambda function. The second argument is the list of elements. Now, whatever the function you have mentioned in the first argument, the function will operate on each element in the list or the iteratable. Then whatever the result is there, all those results are mentioned in a one map object, that also again written as a list. Now if you see the example, now let us assume that there is a list some 10 numbers. Now you want to use the map function. In the map function, now for the map function, what is the first argument? The first argument you have to mention the function, and the second argument is what? Iteratable. So this is what the syntax of the map function. Now, so what I am going to do here is the result anyway again written as a what? Map object, that is what? List. Now map. Now first I will take one lambda function. So there I will increment it. Then the second argument is a. Then I am printing the a. So here what is the function I have used? Lambda function. So which is an anonymous function. This anonymous function x colon x plus 1 is operated on the every element in the iteratable. First it will operate on the 1, then it will return the 2. Second it will operate on the 2, it will return the 3. Like that it is going to operate on all the elements in the list. Now run module. Now here we have to print the what? B. Save. Run module. Now see what it has been written. It has written a one map object. It has written a what? One map object. Now if you want to convert this into list, then you make it as list of. Again you can convert this as a what? List. Run module. See the result. So it will return the map object which you have to convert into what? List. Which you have to convert into what? List. Now so here in this example what we have done, the function we have taken as a what? Lambda function. Now we can do it in a different way. We can take the predefined function also. C equal to map. Now I want to convert into what? String. Then I want to convert the each element in A. I want to convert into what? String. First I will print the C. Let us see the map object what it is written. Then let me convert that map object into again list. Then run run module. See, map object has been written. Then after that map object we have converted into what? One list using the list function. Using the what? List function. So what is the difference between the previous one and this one? In the previous, the first example we have used the anonymous function. In the second one we have used the what? One built-in function. Now in this example we can use the user defined function also. So let me take one user defined function. Then I will make it as what? Even or odd. So for which it is going to take one variable, right? Now if x mod 2 equal to 0, then I will return what? True. Else I will return false. Then you can see d equal to map even odd a, then first print the map object d, then convert into list of d. Now see, right? So what you understood here, this map function is used to operate on the every element in the list, then it will return a one map object. That map object you can convert into list with the help of the what? List function. So this map function is used to apply a function in every element in the list. So once it is operated on the every element in the list, then it will return the map object. That map object we can convert into a what? List, using the list function. Now let us see the second one. What is the second one? The second one is what? Filter function. The filter function also will take the same function, and the second argument is what? Iteratable function. The second argument is what? Iteratable. Then what is the difference between the previous one and this one is, in case of filter function, for whatever the values this function, so whatever the function you have mentioned as a first argument is definitely is going to operate on the each element in the iteratable. But what will be added to the map object is the elements which will return the true only will be added to the map object. Now take the same one a. Now I will have the what? F. Then I will have the one filter function, filter lambda x, then x mod 2 equal to 0, then only it has to be added to the what? F. Then I am going to print the f, then after I will convert into what? One list. Right, save, run module. See, so that is what the major difference. Now here in case of lambda function you can also use the what here? You can also use the built-in function, right? You can also use the user defined function also. You can also use the what? User defined function also. Now the last one here is the reduce function. So if you want to use the reduce function, first you have to include the fun tools module. From the fun tools you have to import the what? Reduce function. Now let us take a list here. Again I am taking some list with 10 values. Then I want to add all the elements in the list. Then I can write what to add all the elements in the list. First I will take one variable sum equal to 0, then for I in A, then I will write sum equal to sum plus A, sum plus I. So that the last I am going to print the what? Sum. Now let us execute this. Yeah, module this one we will see later. First you see this example, run module. So what is happened here, it has printed 55. Now how we can do the same example with the help of the reduce function, now how we can do this with the help of the reduce function. We have seen one example to print the sum of all the elements by writing the logic. Now we want to do the same thing with the help of the what? Using reduce function. So you have to see the syntax of the reduce function. Reduce function syntax is, the first argument is the function, the second argument is the iteratable, and the third argument you can make it as optional. This is this is what the initial value. If any initial value you have to provide, that initial value will be the third argument. This is what the reduce function. Now let us try it. Now C equal to reduce. Now the function is what? Lambda x comma y. So I want to make it as x plus y. Then from where I have to take? I have to take from A. Let us assume that the initial value is 0. Then print C. So now run it. Run module 55. So similarly, if you want to multiply it, you can replace with what? Star, and the initial value you mentioned it as what? Since it is a multiplication, you want to make it as 1, the initial value. See, right? Clear? So it is going to operate on the every element in the list. It is first, it will take 1 into 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120, 126 are 720. So like that it will goes on. At the end it is going to produce the single value. That is what the reduce function. So that's all for map function, filter function and reduce function. In the next class we will see the next topic.